Hello everybody, it's the Health Juggernaut here with another video in the series for longer, stronger erections. And yes, it's hard to believe, I know, but one of the simplest snacks you can have and the most effective for erections is the watermelon. I almost feel silly demonstrating how easy and amazing it is to enjoy watermelon. Basically, you take a great big watermelon, chop a big piece off, that looks good. Now this is a seeded watermelon. I don't like the non-seeded watermelons. I don't like the little watermelons. I like the great big, all natural, heirloom, seeded watermelons. That's fresh. Now you want to have a great big old slice, just like that. Watermelon is great for erections because it has L-citrulline. L-citrulline plays a key role in nitric oxide production. So having a huge serving of watermelon every day will boost your prowess in the bed and make you feel real manly. Eat it up. Health Juggernaut out.